Sometimes you feel trapped. You work hard, pray, and give your best, yet success seems far away. You wonder why doors remain closed, and dreams stay just out of reach. What if the reason is hidden? What if Allah is gently stopping you, protecting you from what could harm you, and guiding you toward what is truly best? Today, we will uncover 7 hidden reasons that might be blocking your success, and how trusting Allah can completely change your life. The first block is when your actions do not match your intentions. You might have big dreams and sincere prayers, but a heart filled with jealousy, anger, or dishonesty builds invisible walls around you. Success is not just effort. It comes when your deeds are pure and your heart is clean. Every act of kindness, patience, or honesty opens the way to blessings you cannot see yet. The second block is attachment to forbidden paths. Sometimes we seek shortcuts, easy gains, or temporary pleasures that go against Allah's guidance. These choices may seem harmless at first, but they block lasting success. True progress comes when you wait, work honestly, and earn in ways that are blessed. Even if the reward is delayed, the outcome will be far greater than what you imagine. The third block is forgetting gratitude. In a busy world, it is easy to focus on what we lack. When we stop thanking Allah for the blessings we already have, our hearts feel empty, and doors remain closed. Counting your blessings, even small ones, brings light into your life. Gratitude opens your heart and clears obstacles you cannot see. The fourth block is holding onto anger and grudges. Every resentment, every moment of bitterness, drains your energy and blocks opportunities. Forgiving, letting go, and asking Allah to guide your heart frees you. When your heart becomes light, life flows more easily, and hidden doors to success start opening. The fifth block is neglecting prayer and reflection. Life is full of distractions, yet we forget to connect with the one who controls everything. Without guidance, we walk blindfolded through life. Sincere prayer, moments of reflection, and asking for help illuminate your path. Even a few minutes daily can remove barriers you never noticed. The sixth block is fear of failure and impatience. We want success now, immediately, and compare ourselves to others. Allah knows the right timing for everything. Impatience steals opportunities and clouds judgment. Trust His timing, work consistently, and keep hope alive. Doors that seem locked today may open tomorrow in ways beyond imagination. The seventh block is forgetting your purpose. Are you chasing only wealth, status, or recognition? Or are you seeking to benefit yourself and others in ways that please Allah? When intentions are wrong, even hard work can leave you empty. True success comes when your efforts are meaningful, guided by faith, and aimed at serving a higher purpose. Life is not a straight path. Delays and obstacles are tests, not punishments. Each challenge is an opportunity to reflect, purify your intentions, and seek Allah's guidance. Success is not just about achieving goals, it is about growing spiritually, emotionally, and morally. The doors you see closed today may open in ways far beyond what you expect. Take a moment and think about your own life. What might be holding you back? Release what is heavy on your heart. Align your actions with your intentions. Seek guidance through prayer and reflection. Trust in Allah's wisdom and timing. When your heart is right and your intentions are pure, success flows naturally, and life becomes lighter, brighter, and full of hope. Remember, the journey to success begins inside your heart. Every positive action, every act of patience, and every prayer brings you closer to the life Allah has planned for you. Apply these lessons, share them with others, and remind yourself daily that no effort is wasted. Like, share, and subscribe to stay inspired, and take steps today that will change your tomorrow. Your success is waiting, and Allah is guiding you every step of the way.